Let's cut through the noise. You're drowning in student loans, side hustles that go nowhere, and TikTok gurus selling pipe dreams. But what if I told you AI isn't just for coding nerds or self-driving cars? It's your golden ticket to making $5,000 a month on autopilot. I did it. No fancy degree, no secret contacts. Just 10 AI tools you've never heard of. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to turn algorithms into your personal ATM. Act 1, the problem. Right now, 78% of millennials live paycheck to paycheck. Banks? They're too busy selling you credit cards. Financial advisors? They charge $300 per hour to tell you to buy index funds. Mocking tone. Wow, groundbreaking. But AI? It's the great equalizer. It negotiates bills, finds hidden income streams, and even turns your Instagram rants into cash. But most people use it wrong. Here's how to win. Spoiler, ChatGPT is only tool number 7. Tool number 1, the silent negotiator. Meet Bill Shark AI. This bot fights Comcast, Verizon, and your gym membership so you don't have to. I save $120 per month in 10 minutes. But here's the hack. Link all your subscriptions. Let it run wild. Then reinvest those savings into tool number 2, which is where the real magic happens. Tool number 2, it's so illegal, lie good. Tool number 2, Honeydew Pro. No, it's not for couples. This AI scans your bank statements, finds every wasted dollar, and shames you into saving. Laughs. Last month, it caught 47.63 in unused Spotify premiums. But the real profit? Its micro-minus investing feature. Round up your DoorDash orders, and it dumps the spare change into Bitcoin. I made $900 last year while eating cold pizza. Bonus, it'll roast your spending habits harder than your ex. Tool number 3, Copymatic. Ever wanted to sell your grandma's cookie recipe as an ebook? This AI writes sales copy so persuasive, people will throw money at you. I made $1,200 last month selling, wait for it, PDFs about houseplants. But here's the catch. You need tool number 4 to keep the cash flowing. Without number 4, the IRS will take 30%. You've been warned. Tool number 4, Tax Robot. This AI finds tax loopholes you didn't know existed. Work from home? Deduct your Wi-Fi. Dog? Call it a security expense. I slashed my tax bill by $2,300 last year. Leans in. But the real play? Use those savings to fund tool number 5, a stock-picking AI that's beating Wall Street. Tool number 5, Trend Sniper. This AI scans Reddit, Twitter, and even TikTok comments to predict meme stocks before they explode. I turned 500 into 3,800 during the GameStop frenzy. But don't get greedy. With great power comes tool number 6. Tool number 6 is the reason I sleep like a baby during market crashes. Tool number 6, Risk Fortress. AI that short sells stocks so you profit during recessions. Yes, it's legal. Tool number 7, ChatGPT. Not for essays. I use it to write fake Yelp reviews for businesses. Maybe. Tool number 8, Rental Master AI. Automates your Airbnb pricing. Made $2,000 a month while backpacking in Bali. Tool number 9, Debt Terminator. Crushed $18,000 in student loans by exploiting APR glitches. Tool number 10, the $5,000 a month secret. It's so powerful, I can't say its name here. Check the description if you're serious. Look, AI isn't magic, it's a shovel. And right now there's gold in them hills. Use these 10 tools and you'll build wealth faster than a boomer with a pension. But let's get real. None of this matters if a recession wipes you out. Want the ultimate safety net? Tap the screen next. I'm revealing 5 recession-proof money hacks banks pray you never discover. Trust me, you'll need it.